Freida. I am Ethiopian community leader. Today we have been cooking our cultural food to show our diversified culture for the USIU community. I'm going to take you with our food that we cooked today. This is INJERA, our cultural food. We eat it with different stew. We serve INJERA. It could be even eaten in breakfast. Yeah. Okay. We have here. It's called fosolia. It's the Ethiopian name, but in English it's French beans. We mix it with carrots, potatoes, and some pepper. This is our known dish. It's called SHIRO, and it's very preferred by the vegans. It's from chickpeas. Oh, this I think everyone knows. It's called DORO. It's a chicken. We serve it with boiled egg, and it's the most famous and favorite dish. So lastly, we have a drink which is called beso. It's cultural. And then what we did is today we served it with milk. And in general, we eat our food with our hands. We don't use fork or spoons.